Hi. Welcome to my channel. Let's start. Import pencil vector. We need an outline and a colored one. Pre-compose them both. By default, these compositions are in the composition center. Move them about 300 pixels to the left. Turn off visibility of the colored composition. Select Pen tool. We want to cover outline composition with a line. Check to be sure that all parts are covered. Change the layer name. And put it at the top of outline composition. Set track matte to alpha matte for outline composition. Open the layer and add trim path to it. Set the N to 0. And after about 1 second or more, set it to 100%. Now check if the speed is good or not. Turn on colored composition again. Press Y to use pen behind tool and move the anchor point at the top. Press P for position. Press the stopwatch next to it, and create the keyframe. Press R for rotation and T for opacity. Set opacity to 0. At some frames after that, turn opacity back to 100%. Rotate the pencil. Imagine the colored part is drawing the line. So the pencil should move across the pencil outline. Search path on outline mask. Copy and paste it on position property. Now it will move along the path. Let's set timing. End of mask trim path should be at the end frame of position property. I think it is too slow. Select all position keyframes, hold Alt, and drag the to shorten time period. Press Shift and move the trim path keyframe. May it should be faster. Now I feel better. "10 frames after drawing the outline, move the pencil about 300 pixels away. Copy and paste rotation keyframes. Do the following. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Time Reverse Keyframes. Select Pen Tool. Click and drag Position Vertex to make a curved path. Duplicate the colored position. Second composition should start at the keyframe that first composition drawing is finished. Outline mask should repeat trim path process. Copy and paste trim path keyframes. When second composition drawing is finished, first comp should be shifted to the right. I chose 300 pixels for movement. Pay attention to the path. Because of the curve that we created, we need a correction. By moving mouse cursor on the vertex handle, Pen tool will change to the Convert Vertex tool. And you can edit the vertex. Let's see the whole process. That's okay. Repeat the process by duplicating colored composition. Let's see the result. OK. Press Ctrl Y to create a solid for background. Select the color that you want. And also don't forget to name it. Select Layer, press Shift close bracket, to move it under other layers. I want to add another layer at the end. Let's remove unnecessary keyframes. Thanks for watching this video.